My name is Tom Birchall, Head of Commercial at Lean Education and Development. Today I'm here to talk to you about the brand new Level 2 Lean Manufacturing Operative Standard.
So how do we teach this at LEAD? All of our courses are designed to teach learners the skills to be able to improve efficiency and increase productivity by practically applying lean tools and techniques that optimize process. It's about removing any waste in a process to maximize value to the company and your customer. The courses are designed to create and, most importantly, sustain a culture of continuous improvement so that when the course has been completed, the skills are maintained so that improvements are constantly being made within the business. It's also a great way to develop your staff, and it gives learners an opportunity to showcase their strengths, which in turn allows you to recognise wider potential for the future within the business. This Level 2 programme is a compelling introduction into lean techniques and continuous improvement within a manufacturing environment. The continuous improvement design of the programme ensures that the information and knowledge gained reflects current industry practice. Lean manufacturing operatives are responsible for safely carrying out manufacturing activities for one or many products, ensuring quality is adhered to and specifications are met. They contribute, develop and support improvement in manufacturing operations using continuous improvement methods such as Kaizen tools, process visualization, lean principles and problem-solving tools and techniques. This program is designed to teach your employees in the exacting quality standards and procedures demanded in today's fast-paced manufacturing industry. Throughout the course of the apprenticeship, the learner will have a dedicated trainer who will visit them once a month on site in order to support their learning. The trainer will work closely with the employees, developing their lean manufacturing knowledge and skills, ensuring the generation of evidence to be assessed. If you feel this program would be a benefit to you or your business, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Give us a call on 01562 884 872. Alternatively, drop us an email at info@leadltd.co.uk. Thanks for your time. We hope to hear from you soon.